Okay, so this video is going to be pretty exciting. And that's not only because Google I/O, their annual conference, is happening as we speak, but also because Google has sent over this mystery package. They haven't told me what's inside of it, but I am 95% sure of what I'll find after opening this. And judging by the title, you probably know what's inside of this already. So grab some snacks and let's have a look at what Google sent over. Okay, so the box itself is quite simple. There's nothing on the sides, nothing on the back or the front, aside from the opening tape in the middle. Size-wise, it's about the same length as a 15-inch MacBook Pro box, so yeah, quite a bit bigger than something that would hold 1 to 2 smartphones, in my opinion, so maybe there's something more to it. Opening up the box, and we get, oh, another box. And this one seems to be the main one. The other one was just the shipping box, so here we have a Google logo on the front, we have nothing else on the sides, aside from a hashtag Team Pixel on the top. Also, this box is quite heavy, so I'm quite curious to see what we actually get inside. Apparently there's this magnetic tab here, so yeah, really nice design, Google. And then, oh, this is so cool. So we get a Pixel 3a, we get both phones, Pixel 3a XL on the left, and the Pixel 3a on the right. And take a look at this, is so awesome. So it's even addressed directly to me. Hey Daniel, what's new with Pixel? Hey, this is so cool. Thank you, Google. This is the best package style I've ever received from a company. Really nice. Really nice. Thanks. I gotta take these out a bit. And wow, they do feel really nice in the hand, but okay, let's see what else we get inside, because it seems like there's so much more inside, judging by the weight of this box. And we have this pull tab here, and oh nice, okay, we have this built-in drawer, and we get the boxes. I was actually wondering where the accessories were, so there we go. The boxes, and I'm guessing the accessories are inside there as well. So the Pixel 3a XL box, and then the Pixel 3a box. Okay, so taking a look at the phone boxes now, all of them feature the back of the phones, since, you know, they're the prettier side, especially on the Pixel 3 XL. Now, Google has changed the font quite a bit, so it's now thinner on the Pixel 3a boxes, and the Google logo is now in the middle rather than being in the top left. I do like this cleaner look much more, but personally I would have aligned the phone towards the middle of the box, since design-wise I think that's gonna look much better than having the phone off to the right. Then we do get the sides of the phones on the side of the box, just like on the Pixel 3's box, which is really nice. We have a Google logo on the top versus nothing like we had on the Pixel 3, and then on the back of the box, this one has changed completely. So instead of having a colored back, we have a real life photo of the phones resting on a surface. So I think I do prefer this new look quite a bit more than the previous colored one. And that's pretty much it. Inside both boxes we get the booklet, which contains the SIM eject tool, the quick start guide, the warranty and the safety guide, as well as some hashtag Team Pixel sticker. Yes, just one, and then a Google logo, but yeah, I do like this. We then get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter, so this is actually used for copying data to and from another phone, so even an iPhone, but then you can also use this to connect external hard drives, USB drives, and pretty much any USB Type-A accessory, so it's really useful that Google included this inside the box. And then finally, we also get a USB Type-C fast charger. This one actually has a retractable foot in the UK, which is the exact same charger that we got with the larger Pixel 3s. And now let's take a look at the actual devices. Okay, so I cannot really show you the software or anything on the displays as of yet because those are still under embargo, but I can at least show you the hardware, how they look, the design, and how they compare to the Pixel 3 XL. So the Pixel 3a, this one comes with a 5.6-inch display, which interesting enough is actually larger than the 5.5-inch one that we get on the Pixel 3. But it does feel really good in the hand. So it's a very compact phone, it's easily usable with one hand, so I do like this quite a lot. The back texture doesn't feel as smooth as on the Pixel 3, but I mean, other than that, this feels very similar to the smaller Pixel 3, especially in black. I think that this is a very nice looking device. It also looks very premium considering its price point. We do get dual stereo speakers on the front, which is really impressive and quite unexpected at its price point. We also get a headphone jack, which the Pixel 3s are missing. And then we also get the same camera, the exact same camera, judging from the specs at least, as we get with the highest end Google phone that Google sells, the Pixel 3 XL. And moving on to the Pixel 3a XL, this one is about the same size as the Pixel 3 XL. So the display is a 6-inch display versus 6.3 inches, so it's a bit smaller, but it's still an OLED panel. Really impressive that we still have OLED on this. It's not an LCD panel. The resolution has dropped to Full HD Plus this time rather than Quad HD Plus. You can probably tell that there's absolutely no notch on the Pixel 3a XL. However, we do get larger bezels in this case. Now, the Pixel 3 XL does have dual stereo speakers, both of which are facing upwards towards you. Whereas on the 3A XL, only the top one is facing upwards, the bottom one is actually facing to the side. But interesting enough, like I mentioned before, we do get a headphone jack on both the 3A and the 3A XL, which is missing from the Pixel 3, and it seems like even the headphones themselves are actually missing from the Pixel 3A, so there's no headphones in the box like we got with the Pixel 3. And speaking of the 3A XL, this is Google's new pink color, or purple. So the one on the 3 was called not pink, this is called purplish. It kind of looks like blue to me, a pinkish blue. And then you have this bright neon green power button, which looks really, really nice. I do like this look. And then the camera is again the exact same one that you get with the Pixel 3 XL. So Pixel 3A and Pixel 3A XL. Long story short is that they cost almost half of what a Pixel 3 and a Pixel 3 XL do. They come with the exact same camera on the back, they come with the exact same amount of RAM, 4GB, the same amount of storage, 64GB on the baseline, an OLED display that's a bit lower in resolution, but it's still really good. The only big difference between the 3A and the 3 is the processor. So the Snapdragon 670 is what we have on these basically, versus the 845 on the higher end Pixel 3s. Those phones don't have wireless charging, which we do get on the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, so that's another thing that's missing. But other than that, it's literally the same experience. Plus, you get a headphone jack for almost half the cost. Oh, and I almost forgot, I got some really, really awesome news for you. So we've teamed up with Google to give away not one, not two, but actually 3 Pixel 3As. And the good news is that you can actually pick between the 3A or the 3A XL. So all you have to do in order to enter this giveaway is to just be a follower on Twitter @ZoneOfTech. So make sure you're following there, and then also retweet this last tweet that I tweeted about this giveaway. And that's it. We'll be announcing the winners in 2 weeks' time, which is actually on Tuesday the 21st. So yeah, that's it. Good luck to everyone. So yeah, not bad. More detailed videos coming tomorrow, and then I'll be able to talk about the software experience, the camera comparison, and all that. And I'll do a few speed tests, and I'll talk about my actual experience with these phones, because so far I can only talk about hardware, and hardware-wise, they do look pretty good, and they have most of the specs that the Pixel 3s have, at almost half the cost. But yeah, keep an eye on the channel for that video, the comparison between the Pixel 3 XL and the Pixel 3A XL, which is coming out tomorrow. So definitely hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever that video gets uploaded. It should be 9 p.m. UK time or 1 p.m. PST. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm Daniel, and yeah, keep an eye for that video. Zone of Tech, signing out. Cheers.